Alright, Vince, let's have it. Good boy. Suki, what are you doing again? Is he doing silly stuff? Is he doing silly stuff? Is he doing silly stuff? Alright, Vince. Suki, you want to throw it for Vince? You want to throw it? No, you're not going to throw it? You got to give it to Vince. There you go. Good job. Go get it, Vince. What are you doing shaking your head, Vince, honey? You going to throw it for Vince, honey? Suki, no running into Vince. He doesn't like that. You okay? Yeah, you're okay. Upsie.